Big news coming in. Government of the centre has approved the transfer of Justice Yashwant Verma. The judge of the Delhi High Court will now be a judge of the Allahabad High Court. He's been directed to assume charge of his office in the Allahabad High Court. This is big news because it appeared that as the inquiry had started against him, that he may not be taking the judicial work that will come under him in Allahabad High Court. But remember, this doesn't end here. Centre may have approved of it, but inquiry will continue. It's already started. And then number two, what about the Bar Association in Allahabad? They have come forth to say they'll go on an indefinite strike. They don't want a judge who's facing allegations right now, charges right now, but a big taint already in many ways with regard to his credibility. Remember, just to remind you in case and to jog the memory of the viewer, the half-burnt piles of cash in massive number. Still no details about how much cash was recovered and seized from his residence during the race. Srishti Ojha, legal correspondent, is joining me right now. Srishti, tell me more about this approval by the centre. What does it mean? Because I wonder what the Bar Association will do now.
Well, yes, definitely it's a big development which has come in this case, considering the central government has now approved the transfer of Justice Yashwant Verma, who is right now who's a part of a huge controversy in the serious allegations which have been made against him with regard to alleged cash recovery in his house. The centre has approved the recommendation which was earlier made by the Supreme Court Collegium to transfer him, and now the central government, while approving his transfer, has also directed him to assume charge of his office in the Allahabad High Court. Important here is also this comes a day after we saw a delegation of Supreme Court Bar Association come to the Supreme Court and speak to CJI and the collegium judges with regard
to this particular transfer proposal, where they also asked the CJI that his transfer proposal should be withdrawn, and if this is not done, they would continue to protest and abstain from work. They, however, told us that after meeting the CJI and SC Collegium judges, they're satisfied with the response that they got, and they were assured that their demands and their demands will be considered by the collegium. One important thing that they also told us is that according to these Bar Association presidents, the CJI...
I'm also curious what happens to the inquiry, because inquiry will likely be going on in Delhi, and that will continue, is what you're telling us?
Well, Pooja, the inquiry has to continue because the incident happened in Delhi. As we know, the three-member committee, all the three members of the committee are also currently in Delhi. We were also told by our sources that Justice Yashwant Verma was asked to appear before the committee today with regard to a preliminary inquiry and to record his preliminary statement. Earlier, as we reported, that the speed with which the inquiry was proceeding was really fast, and the inquiry committee is already in Delhi and is trying to collect the evidence, and also is inquiring people who were involved in this entire controversy. One reason for that could have been the fact that the centre was deliberating upon the proposal, but the collegium had already recommended.
Stay on with me, Srishti, because India Today's legal editor Nalini Sharma also joins me. Nalini, tell me more about this, because this is the centre approving. He goes to Allahabad High Court. Will this be work as usual, or will there be some guidelines, some protocol coming in here while an inquiry is on?
Well, Pooja, while during the time that the inquiry is still going on, Justice Verma is specifically not going to be allowed to take over any judicial duties, as it's been a clear directive that has been issued by the Chief Justice of India, Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Although it was earlier communicated only to the Delhi High Court Chief Justice, Justice P.K. Upadhyay, but it was given to understand that once this transfer is approved, which it now has been, even in the Allahabad High Court, he will not be allowed to take over any judicial duties till the time that this inquiry is over. Also, remember, one of the main reasons for transferring him to the Allahabad High Court was essentially because not only is it his parent High Court, but he will also be considerably lower in seniority in the Allahabad High Court. He'll only be the 9th or the 10th senior most judge in the Allahabad High Court, whereas he was the 3rd senior most judge in the Delhi High Court. So due to his seniority in the Delhi High Court, there was a lot of administrative responsibilities that were entrusted with him that he enjoyed, and the Supreme Court wants to ensure that there is no undue influence that can be caused on the ongoing inquiry, which is why it was important to transfer him out of Delhi during the time being, at least when the inquiry is going on.
Okay, so at least transfer for now. Whether the judicial work begins for him, whether he'll be passing judgments right now in the Allahabad High Court, and will he have the lawyers on board as much in Allahabad? We'll be tracking that and more. Nalini and also to Srishti, thank you very much for now.